Okay, we go to the next step, that is rig right hand. It tells you right hand. Okay. For a finger count, you have to tell we are a full human, 5 finger, 0 finger, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. This is 0 finger. For example, wear something or carry something. So 0 finger, 3 finger, and 5 finger. Nice. We can, for example, in this situation, we have 5 finger because you have to define it from beginning. And the next, the calculating, and because the rig in hands is more complex and needs more time to calculate it. Okay, we're waiting for calculating finger points. Done. Nice. And as you can see, this is our finger, and the focus of our viewport is going to the finger, and it does its job correctly. Okay, I think you have to, yeah, it's bring it correct. Nice. And here we have a thumb direction that it has to perpendicular to the finger to correctly, as you can see, it tells you it has to perpendicular to the thumbnail. Yeah, this is our thumbnail, and it has to be perpendicular to that. I think it's nice. And everything is correct. Let's its settings. You can choose those joint name from here, and exactly middle point in this part is in front part, because some cases we change it in this direction, we need to activate front part. In such a this situation, you have to activate front part, don't forget. Now transform type is selected. It means you can select, for example, this part individually, or you can select whole hierarchy like this. So everything is correct. Join opacity and join. If you are sure that everything is correct, it's very important that you mirror it to the left. I think, yeah, you can mirror them to this other hand. Rig left hand. And as you can see, in this situation, it does not correct it well, because I think I mirror it. I can reset. No. You can reset it and everything is done. Okay, don't mirror that in some situation because it's an scan object. It may be does not mirror completely. Looks like it has to perpendicular to the thumbnail. You can reset it if you want. Don't use mirror in this situation. Use the mirror to the left or right hand if you make sure your model is 100% symmetrical. Okay, everything is correct. And after that, you can simply finalize your character. We are going to the next lesson and check the animations. And don't forget, if you want to go back to other hand to make it right or change it, you can come here. Going to left, right hand and left hand. You can toggle between them here. And then if you decided if you want, you can change the finger type count here, but I don't suggest you doing that. You have to define your finger at the first window that you have, because we have 5. We don't want to bother ourselves. Okay. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.